So good morning to all. Dr. I am Selvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Computer Applications, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about the unit of 3. Unit 3 topic is what? Departmental accounting. So first we discuss about the meaning of departmental accounting. In the every organization, in any kind of organization, it is like a textile industry or a manufacturing industry or any kind of industry, the activities, depending upon the activities, the departments can be divided in the same premises. Each of the department account should be maintained by the management. That account is called departmental accounting. Next, what is the purpose to preparing the departmental accounting? So every concern we have to split their work, split their activities in various departments, and they have to maintain their accounts separately and easy to find out each department expenses, profits and incomes, everything. At the end of the year, the management should know each of the department expenses and profits level and income level and investment level and the future activity also. They have to easily compare with the lowest level of the department and highest level of the department. Which department is the increasing profits or increasing the sales level or increasing the purchase level. Everything should be compared at the end of the year. Okay. Next, easy can maintain their accounting in the each department. Okay. So overall, they have to maintain the accounts comparing to the each department account. That is very simplest and it is very easy to clear to understand by the management for taking the suitable decision for the future business activities. On that purpose, we have to prepare the departmental accounting in various departments. Next, we have to discuss about the differences between departmental accounting and branch accounting. What is departmental accounting? What is branch accounting? Departmental accounting is based on the activities done by the management or the organization. They have to split in the various departments in the same premises. That is departmental accounting. Branch accounting is it is separately situated in various places. That is branch accounting. So various same nature of business should be done, but in the various places, means that is called branch accounting. So departmental accounting should be maintained by each of the department, and branch accounting should be maintained by the branches itself. How many branches in same organization which is situated in various places? Every branch account should be maintained by that branch only. End of the year only, the head office should maintain and compare the branches accounting. Which branches give the highest profit, which branch occurs high expenses, which branch purchase high raw materials or which branch is more preferable by the customer, also compared by the end of the year at the frequent time period by the head office only. Okay, that is the difference of departmental accounting and branch accounting, the maintenance of accounts and location of the departmental accounting and branch accounting. Then preparation and maintenance of accounts in the departmental accounting. What are the accounts? Accounting statements that should be maintained by the department accounting. So as usual, financial accounting we have to maintain the trading based on the trial balance. We have to prepare the trial balance, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So same like that we have to prepare the final accounts in the department account also, but we have to split the expenses based on the apportionment of the each department. department A, department B, department C, or like sales department, purchase department, and advertisement department. Based on the department wise, we have to split the expenses amount to each of the department. So trading account format, you know about that. Yeah. So as usual, starting with what? Opening balance. Two opening balance and purchases and less any of the purchase return, and what are the direct expenses involved in the manufacturing or purchase activities. That about the direct expenses should be entered in the debit side of trading account. Okay. Next credit side of trading account is as usual buy sales and sales return and closing stock of the material. So we have to find out, compare with the credit side and debit side. Which side is highest? We have to identify the gross profit or gross loss of the concerned departments and concerned organization. That is to identify the gross profit or gross loss in a particular year by the department. Next one, based on the trial balance information, we have to prepare the profit and loss account. As usual, what are the indirect expenses involved by each of the department? That should be entered in the debit side of the profit and loss. And what are the indirect income received by each of the department? That should be entered in the credit side of the department accounting. Then compared with debit and credit side, we have to identify the profit or loss, net profit or net loss. The company will earn net loss or net profit. So credit side is higher means we will get net profit. Debit side is higher means we will get net loss in the particular department. So based on the trading and profit and loss account, we have to prepare the balance sheet as usual format. So liabilities and assets. So what are the liabilities in the department of each of the department, and what are the liabilities they have in the each of the department? What is the assets for the land and building, stock materials, and debtors values. Okay. Then prepaid expenses, advance amounts received. These are the items involved in the asset side of the balance sheet. Then liability side, capital amount and net profit and any of the overdraft, bank loans and creditors. What are the creditors value that should be entered in the outstanding expenses of each department, that should be entered in the liability side. So both the side, liabilities and asset side, both the sides are equal means that is the correct balance sheet prepared by the department. This format of final account should be maintained by the departments, each of the departments, and compare the management at the end of the year, which department is making a profit, which department is in the lowest level, which department occur the loss. Everything should be compared by each by the management with each of the department. How many departments in the organization? Then they will take the suitable decision for implementation of the department and how to improve, how to take the remedial measures to avoid the losses and expenses of each department. This is the final account format of departmental